Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make curry oxtail. Sear oxtail pieces until deeply browned, then remove them and sauté onions, garlic, and ginger until soft. Add curry powder and tomato paste, stir to bloom the spices, then return the meat and add stock to cover. Simmer gently until oxtail becomes fall-off-the-bone tender, skimming fat as needed, and finish with fresh herbs for brightness. Begin by trimming fat and patting oxtail dry, then generously season with salt and pepper. Heat a heavy pot and add oil until shimmering, then sear pieces in batches for a deep crust. Avoid crowding the pan so each piece browns evenly. Remove browned oxtail and deglaze with a splash of stock or water, scraping up fond to fold into your sauce for richer, savory depth throughout the curry. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the channel to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for hands-free timers, recipe steps, and bringing music into your cooking space with clear sound. I like how it responds while my hands are messy, making multitasking easier. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After searing and building your spice base, add enough stock and crushed tomatoes to cover the oxtail, then bring to a gentle simmer. Cook low and slow for several hours until the meat is falling from the bone, stirring occasionally and skimming excess fat. Taste and adjust salt, spice, or acidity near the end, and finish with fresh herbs or a squeeze of lime to brighten the rich curry before serving over rice or with flatbread.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.